Realme Narzo 70 Turbo price in India and specifications have been revealed as the phone is officially launched in the country. It is the new Narzo model to debut in the country and joins the other Narzo 70 branded phones. The handset ships with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset, a new GT mode for gaming, and a 50-megapixel camera. Check out the details. Realme Narzo 70 Turbo sports a 6.67-inch FHD+ Samsung E4 OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 1080x2400 pixels resolution, 92.65% screen-to-body ratio, a 180Hz touch sampling rate, AGDT Star 2 glass for protection, and 600 nits typical brightness, and in 1200 nits high brightness mode. Powering the phone is the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset with Mali G6 and 15 GPU for graphics. The SoC is paired with 6GB 128GB B820 and 12GB 2FE 6GB UFS 3.1 storage that is further expandable via a microSD card. We get up to 14GB dynamic RAM. It runs on Android 14-based Realme UI custom skin out of the box. The company is promising 2 OS updates and 3 years of security patches. There is a 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support. Connectivity options include 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a USB Type-C port for charging. The phone is equipped with 6050mm stainless steel VC cooling, IP65 water and dust resistance, rainwater smart touch, dual stereo speakers, a 6-axis hypersensitive gyroscope, and a TUV SUD lag-free mobile gaming certificate. In terms of cameras, the Realme Narzo 70 Turbo has a 50-megapixel primary camera with f1.8 aperture, a 5P lens, and a 2-megapixel secondary camera sensor. We get a 16-megapixel shooter on the front for selfies and video chats. The phone measures 160.7, 74.7, and 7.6 millimeters and weighs 185 grams. We get an in-display fingerprint sensor for security. The Realme Narzo 70 Turbo GT gaming mode includes these features. Realme Narzo 70 Turbo is a costlier alternative to the Realme Narzo 70 5G. Both phones have the same 6.67-inch display size with an FHD+ screen resolution. The panel used on the Turbo model is a Samsung E4 OLED screen. The Turbo model gets the Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset, compared to the Dimensity 750 SoC on the standard Realme Narzo 70. This should result in some performance gains. Besides this, the phone has almost similar hardware, like the 50-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual camera setup on the back, a 16-megapixel front camera sensor, and a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. Considering the Realme Narzo 70 Turbo is aimed at premium gaming, to that extent we get premium GT features like the ability to customize CPU-GPU frequency, stainless steel VC cooling, TUV SUD lag-free mobile gaming certificate, and more. The phone also has a slightly different design. While the Narzo 70 has a circular camera module, the Narzo 70 Turbo gets a square camera module with a yellow stripe.